What's up, y'all? We back at it, like crack at it with another one. I hope y'all having a beautiful and blessed day. Like always, hope y'all take care of yourself. Like always, personal development, personal care is number one. Alright, so today we're gonna be talking about semen retention and all that. Now, I was kind of putting this video off to the side and regretting kind of making this video because like niggas gonna think, oh, semen retention weird and all that shit. Oh, you don't want to fuck bitches, nigga. Your bot ass. But yeah, and I'm kind of like beyond, like, I'm not trying to sound uppity or none of that shit, but at this point in my spiritual awakening, I'm kind of beyond like semen retention. I'm kind of beyond that shit. Like, I don't really think about it too much. It's not really a problem for me to hold my seed and not jerk off. It's not a problem for me to not jerk off or not, you know, fuck nasty bitches and all that shit. It's not a problem for me. I just don't do it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't mean to sound uppity, but I kind of feel like I'm kind of past that shit. There's people out there who are still struggling with this shit, still struggling with not watching porn, still struggling with not jerking off, not masturbating, you know, still struggling with holding their seed. And you know, and like a lot of guys out here, if a squirrel had a fat ass, we'd smash. You know what I'm saying? That's how niggas think nowadays. If a squirrel had a fat ass, we'd smash it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas out here don't know the importance of keeping their seed within them and what it actually does to you and your body. So I'm trying to flex or nothing, but in the thumbnail you see me on look cut, you know what I'm saying, whatever. That's all from semen retention, bro. That's all from fucking semen retention, bro. Ice cream truck and shit. Yeah, I did put in the work. Yeah, I did do all that shit. But you also gotta realize that it is mostly semen retention. The reason why I look cut, the reason why I'm, you know, better, I feel better. Like, I literally upgraded my entire fucking life, bro. And that's no fucking cap. And I did this shit in 3 months. So June 5th is when I started semen retention. Logically, June 5th I was like, okay, I'm starting semen retention. I'm done watching porn. I'm done fucking nasty bitches. I'm done doing all that shit. Okay, so so benefits of semen retention. Let's get into it. So, bro, it literally, okay, so once you stop watching porn, that's a dopamine detox. Is somebody at my motherfucking spot? Hell no. But once you stop watching porn, that's a dopamine detox. You gotta realize when you watch porn and shit, you're literally jerking off. You're literally you're having virtual sex with yourself, bro. So it's like you are like raising your standards so high and shit to something that doesn't even exist. So a lot of these porn stars that you masturbate into, they are fake, bro. They're fake. They're not real. They either have, you know, enlarged breasts, enlarged ass, you know, fucking liposuction, not liposuction, whatever the fuck it's called, you know, all that shit, bigger lips, bigger whatever, you know, they're trying to make themselves, they look fake basically. And that's why a lot of these niggas, they can't get it up, bro. When you watch a lot of porn, bro, you can't get it up, okay? You can't get it up because you jerking off to something that doesn't exist. And then once you're in that real situation with the real woman, this woman's not attractive enough for you because you've been jerking off to something that isn't even fucking real, okay? So like, if you're young, bro, you might not have that problem, but eventually if you keep doing that shit, I promise to God, you finna have that problem where you cannot get it up, bro. I put that on God, right? Like, it's too much dopamine, bro. Once you watch that shit, you're putting too much dopamine in your body. You're putting a shot of dopamine in your body that you do that you will enjoy. You're not gonna enjoy. Like, you're not gonna enjoy being out of nature because you got this big old thing of dopamine. You don't get dopamine from just being on nature. I'm getting dopamine from being on nature, and this is sufficient for me. But if you jerk off and you masturbate every day, it's not going to be sufficient for you. You're always going to want more and more and more. and your brain is literally rewiring itself. It's literally changing your fucking brain, bro. If you look at the brain of a meth addict, and if you look at the brain of a porn addict, it's the exact same thing, because being addicted to porn and being addicted to meth is like the exact same fucking thing, bro. You think I'm lying? Okay, bro, whatever, look it up. All right, look up the brain of a porn addict compared to the brain of a meth addict. Their brains are the exact same thing, because your brain is rewiring itself for that intense amount of dopamine that you are putting into your body. So yeah, bro, you gotta protect your energy. Now let's get into the benefits, right, bro? You will run faster, you will jump faster, you will be faster, you will be a whole nother level. Why do you think every time you jerk off you feel like you feel like all lazy and shit, and you feel like you don't have energy? Because your seed is energy leaving you, okay? It's energy literally leaving you. That energy is supposed to create a life, bro. There's nothing wrong with having sex and not creating a life. You know what I'm saying? Just having recreational sex, I guess you can call it. But there is something wrong with jerking off and just wasting that energy all the fucking time. People be like, oh, Dante, how'd you get bigger? Bro, semen retention. Honestly, semen retention, bro. Semen retention. I don't eat meat. So niggas be like, how you get your protein? I don't eat meat, okay? I'm not even gonna get into that shit. It's a whole nother this ain't no new shit, bro. Taoists knew it, ancient Buddhists knew it, fucking everybody knew it, bro. Like, if you read the book Think and Grow Rich, bro, there's literally a whole ass chapter about sexual desires and how you need to like maintain your sexual energy. And that's why I say every man should go on semen retention for at least 3 months. At least 3 months, bro. How hard is it? Especially if you're not getting bitches. Like, how hard is it to not? All you gotta do is not watch porn, not jerk off, bro. And it's like, how do I do that, Dante? It's so hard. Get that willpower. Get willpower. Do something hard every day. Start taking cold showers. Do something hard every day. Wake up, do 25 push-ups every day, even if you don't want to do it. Get that fucking willpower, okay? Get that willpower within you. Get that willpower in yourself. Okay? That's what you just need to do. You just need to get willpower, bro. Get willpower. Why wouldn't you want to get willpower? Like, a lot of these females, bro, they're gonna want, once you on this shit for like 2-3 months, bro, they're gonna want your energy. That's why when you watch any semen retention video, these niggas talk about, oh, I have women attraction, and then some people go on semen retention just for women attraction. My story, I'm just gonna keep it brief. There's been bitches who came up to me and been like, oh, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Try to get my number. You know that females never do that shit. So yeah, there's been bitches who like came up to me and shit and been like, what's up? You know what I'm saying? And that's it, right? I'm not gonna get into, that's not what this shit is about. You shouldn't be on, that's not what this shit is about. You shouldn't be on this shit just to get females. Like, that's fucking ruining the whole entire point, bro. Okay? That's ruining the whole entire point. But yes, if you're on semen retention, you're gonna get female attraction just because you have more testosterone and you're letting off pheromones. It means you're letting off pheromones that they can fucking subconsciously smell, and then they know that you are like holding your seed. They like subconsciously know that shit, so they're like, oh, I want the seed. And like, you know what I'm saying? It's just animalistic type shit, right? It's just mating calls and all that shit. But yeah, if you get on semen retention, you're gonna get more female attraction, whatever. But it's all about okay, so let's get into more benefits, because there's a list of benefits when it comes to semen retention, right? So manifestation, bro. Every 3 months something manifests for you that you've been wanting to get for a while. So bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro, ever since I was like 16, bro, I've been trying to get my license and I've been trying to get a car. Ever since I was like 16, bro. And I've been having so many fucking obstacles where it comes from just racist motherfuckers. I'm not gonna get into it, bro, but I've had like so many fucking obstacles, just pow, 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 why I just couldn't fucking get my license, couldn't get my whip for so fucking long. Mainly my license, okay? Like, a car is just, you can just buy a car, right? But my fucking license, bro, I've been trying to get that shit for so fucking long, bro. And I've had racist motherfuckers. I've had fucking just bullshit, just fucking bullshit after bullshit after bullshit. And this shit has been happening to me for 2 fucking years, bro. Now that I'm on senior retention, every 3 months you hold your seat, something manifests for you. That's how it is, bro. October, so this is the 4th month, bro, and I know something else is gonna manifest for me. I don't know what it is exactly yet, but I kind of know what it is, but I ain't gonna speak on it too much in this video. There's because 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 is how many months there is in a year, right? So it's like you got 4 seasons, and then there's 4 seasons. So each seed, each time you hold your seed, that's a season, right? That shit makes sense. And then at the end of each season, something manifests for you. So I held my seed for all of summer, something manifested. Now I gotta hold my seed for all of autumn, something's gonna manifest. Hold my seed for all of winter, something's gonna manifest. Winter's the hardest, by the way. Winter's always the hardest because for some reason in winter, the succubus comes out to play. Like, the succubus be coming out here. And yeah, bro, I've had a lot of spiritual attacks too. I'm not gonna get into it. That's gonna be a whole nother video, but I've had a fucking succubus try to take my energy, and I have marks to prove it. I have marks on my back to fucking prove it, that I've had a succubus, a literal energy, try to take my fucking energy, bro. Well, I'm a fucking spiritual warrior, so I don't give a damn, nigga. Throw hands with this nigga. But anyways, hold your shit for 3 months, something will manifest for you. Hold your shit for another 3 months, something will manifest. Hold your shit for another 3 months, something will manifest. Something will manifest, right? So if you're asking me how long I'm gonna go on it, I'm not sure. I'm definitely gonna end out this winter season. No, I'm definitely gonna end. Well, shit, yeah. I'm probably gonna end out this winter season. So that's like 9 months. And you know, it's whatever for me. Like, as long as I don't get on Instagram and all that shit, I'll be good. Which I'm finna get into right now. Bro, for some of y'all niggas, the main reason why you are jerking off so much is that you're on Snapchat and you're on Instagram, which, mark my words in this video, I'm done. You ain't finna see me on Snapchat, you ain't finna see me on Instagram unless I'm promoting the video. I'm fucking done. I'm not with none of that shit no more. But yeah, let me get back to it. A lot of the reason why a lot of y'all niggas be jerking off and shit is because you watch that shit. You get that shit off of Instagram and you get that shit off of Snapchat. Like, a lot of these celebrities know that shit. Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, fucking Megan Thee Stallion. I don't know. I don't fucking know these niggas no more, bro. I don't pay attention. Don't listen to their music. Fuck them niggas, right? But a lot of these celebrities know what they're doing, bro. They know that they're succubus. They know they're promoting that shit. Like, I don't know if it was, I think it was Cardi, right? Cardi B posted a photo of her looking like a fucking devil with some devil horns and shit. Like, bro, they know what the fuck they're doing. That's the way they were introduced into the industry. They said, you're going to be a succubus, give me your soul, all that shit. That's a whole nother video though. Whatever, right? So these motherfuckers are literally succubus. They're literally trying to take your energy, because your energy, your seed, is one of the most powerful things on earth. Okay, it's not about us niggas either. This is just the video for the niggas, right? I'll talk about the woman's womb and how that shit's powerful. The first woman on earth was a black woman. Yes, the first woman on earth was a black woman. Yup. So I'll talk about, you know, all that shit and see. But yes, I will talk about the womb and how that shit's powerful. If anything, it's more powerful than the seed. But we got power in ourselves too. I felt like I left a lot of information out, so this probably ain't gonna be the last video. It might be, I'm not sure. But to wrap it up, to give y'all a little summary, save your seed, bro. Save your seed. Especially if you're not getting no bitches, save your seed, bro. Like, even if I find my twin flame, even if I find a girl who deserves my shit, dog, I'm probably still finna save that bitch, honestly, because I just know all the benefits from it, bro. And you know, y'all think I'm bullshitting, test it out, bro. Right. So that is it for this one, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy it. I'm about to get on my nature, bro. It's about to get dark in a bit, so I'm about to get my nature. I'm about to just motherfucking meditate and do all that shit. So hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all resonated with the words I spoke on today. Like, subscribe, all that bullshit, and see y'all niggas in the next one.